Need your help. Oh, I see. Crazy. The cute version. Her own mind filled in the rest of the story. She blamed me for Larissa's death. Transference. Alex survived, but couldn't save Larissa. But that feeling of being powerless, she needed someone to blame. Who else but the most powerful figure in her life? You. No. Alex has defeated her monsters before. She's a good person. She's not gonna forget that. And I wouldn't want her to. Because there's no telling how far Alex will go to save the people who depend on her. She will sacrifice everything before letting them die like Larissa. Everything. All you can do is sit there and wait for it to happen. Owen, are you okay? You're lucky Amanda left you alive.
Wasn't the target. Once you got Nikita, she was gone.
Work off any leads?
Not yet, but I got everybody in here on the hunt.
Come on, I'll catch you up where we are.
You get medical?
In a minute. I had a thought.
It's a new one.
What'd you say to me?
Easy. It's a joke.
Of course.
What's your thought?
I think Amanda might be making a play for the black box.
You mean like another trade, Nikita for the box?
Maybe. Or she's got a mole inside that could use the distraction to steal it out.